Yo, what's going on, guys? Top of the evening, top of the morning, wherever you may be. A couple hours away from pre-market here on 124 of 2022. Or if you're tuning in and the market is open, hopefully we're in the green. Let's get some green this week. Enough of this sadness and madness. We're going to have a little bit of fun this week here. We're going to do a damn Twitter giveaway. Now, the only reason we have to do it on Twitter is because YouTube has little strict rules on giving away items. So what we're going to do, we'll get to that in a second. But first of all, congratulations to everybody that took the under on the Bitcoin. Remember we set that line on Friday. Oh, sorry I missed you last night too. I got down the Ozark rabbit hole, and next thing you know, I look up at the clock. It's 12:30 in the damn morning, Sunday morning. So I didn't do a video last night. I apologize. I didn't. There wasn't a lot to talk about. There really isn't. We're just shooting the shit here, trying to stay positive and get these son of a guns going green. But long story short, congrats to everybody who took the under. We beat both unders. I think I set, well, by this line was pretty well dialed in. I can't remember. I know we dipped below 35, and I think it was just a slight below that. But now we're at 35,279. So enough of the stupid nonsense on the Bitcoin, right? The whole world is crashing around us. Let's get our stocks moving up. Now, let's do this damn giveaway. What we're going to do, just on AMC, okay? We're going to take that 1797 at close Friday. Now, what we're going to do is we have to do it on Twitter because of the stupid rules. So if you don't follow me on the Twitter, you don't even have to follow me. Just comment on the damn like. I hate this stupid Twitter. But anyway, I'm going to post something after I do this video just saying over, under. We're going to do, not over, under. I'm sorry. We're going to do closest to the damn price at bell close Friday, right? Whoever gets closest to the price, let's do two winners, okay? Two closest to it. 50 buckaroos gift card to your AMC movie theaters. Whoever gets the closest price. So if you think we're going to finish Friday at 1 p.m., 1 p.m. my time, when the market closes Friday, you know what I'm saying here? I'm mumbling here. When the market closes Friday, whoever gets closest to and the second closest to will receive the dang gift cards. I will mail them to you, email them, courier pigeon, whatever you want to do. So I'll make that thread over on the old Twitter. Go over there, put your guess underneath the damn comment, and let's see if somebody can guess this. If somebody guesses it's dead spot on, I'm going to double it up, okay? So whatever your guess is, you think we're going to $10,000 on Friday? Oh, 2287, whatever the hell you want to guess, we're going to do some winner chicken dinners over there, okay? So that'll be fun. Give us something to do throughout the week. So let's move onward and upward in this damn stock this week. We know where we're at. We know we need to go up. Price-wise, I don't give a shit. Let's just get this thing moving. Same thing with GameStop, right? Right. Enough of that. Stock Swinger, there he is. This here, now, over the last 9 months, I mainly pull up articles, whether we got the turd of the day, the turd of the week, something good we like making fun of folks, we like reading whatever we like to read, and this usually is just a mainstream media type of an ad, right? Now, this could be the biggest, absolute, poorly written turd I've ever seen. I got the video link down to a science here today. I think I'm going to go as long. I know where I'm going to go with this video. Long story short, I was going to pull up some information on this News Nation USA, but this is horrendous. Absolutely horrendous article. Meme stocks officially over as a crash wipes out 160 billion. Let's just touch on a couple of points here. The meme stock rally was fun while it lasted, but it's now a memory, handing out an expensive lesson as it increasingly falls apart versus the S&P 500. They keep mentioning the S&P 500 in here, okay? I get it, right? But I don't think we're following the S&P. And a painful slide. A painful slide, it should be, right? In meme stocks, the past year erased all aggressive gains by pounding online Reddit traders like their favorite stocks. Now, let's take a look at some of these. AMC, okay, we get it. Sure, that falls into the meme stock category. GME, PTON, Hood, it couldn't be any farther from a meme stock, right? I get maybe kind of why they put it in there, but Hood is, no. It couldn't be any more opposite in our eyes anyway, right? Now, it's just an absolute turd. They mentioned selling. Now the selling has completely wiped out the aggressive gains. Nobody's selling the stock, we know, right? And then they go over these 25 stocks down here below. They're kind of mentioning, the losses per the gains, blah, blah, blah. Now take a look at some of these stocks. Penn. When's the last time you guys had Penn National Gaming on your meme stock list? AMC Theaters, and then you get into a list right here. Affirm, Virgin Galactic, okay, we've heard of them a tiny bit back in the day. AMC, GameStop, okay. DraftKings, Rivian, Roku, Peloton, Roblox, Robinhood, Block. You get the picture here. Are we just throwing in Sundial? Okay. Tilray, okay. Bed Bath & Beyond, okay. No. Beyond Meat, BYND. BlackBerry, okay. SoFi, no. Carnival, no. This was pre-COVID plays, no. Lucid, Viacom. Dude, it's just horrendous. What has happened to I know that there's a bunch of these freelancers and journalisms and this and that and the other thing. Dude, what has happened to our journal? It's almost worth going through this website, seeing what other kind of turds there are. So this will definitely fall under the turd of the day. Okay, folks? So there's an old rat. Now listen to this here. This was posted on Friday? Friday. Traders revive antitrust complaint against Robinhood and Citadel. Right. Now here, this is on January 20th, 2022. Thursday. Angel Guzman, that was the dude that won the damn lawsuit against Robinhood's, right? But you got him, Burke, Christopher, Terrell, on behalf of themselves and the similar situated, brought a class action complaint against defendants Robinhood, all the Robinhoods, and then Citadel in there, right? Under the Sherman Act. Okay? What do we got going here? I just seen this. I wanted to just touch on this briefly. I'll pop this sucker in. Is this a different lawsuit? It says revive, but I don't remember just these names in here. I don't know. We're going to do some more digging into this, but I thought you guys should know. Let's take a peek at this and see what's going on. Oh, remember, was it a couple weeks ago when we had that link to that website? Let me know if any of you guys filled that thing out. I did. I haven't heard back from them. I guarantee you they probably haven't even touched my email yet. They probably won't get around to it till next Christmas. You imagine the floodgates that have opened with that law firm. Let me know if you guys, if anybody heard back from them. I filled it out. I just put in part of the, class action Robinhood, blah, blah, blah. But I did fill it out and hit submit. I'm sure some of you guys did too. But I haven't heard a damn thing. I didn't expect to, really, because I'm sure they're just absolutely bombarded, right? Look at this. Bitcoin has lost half its value since hitting record high. This was posted yesterday. Look at this first paragraph here. Bitcoin extended its decline Saturday and has shed more than 50% from its record high in November, while adding further momentum to the meltdown of cryptocurrencies. Margin positioning being liquidated caused a wave of additional sell pressure as assets that have been held as collateral were forcibly sold to pay for margin low, says Hayden Hughes, Chief CEO at Alpha Impact in Singapore. Yeah, you think? Hello? Margin positions being liquidated. Folks, liquidated. This is hilarious. I think in my first month on YouTube, 8-9 months ago, whatever the hell it's been, I played this, but this is too hysterical not to listen to here. Fight stops New York stock traders archives from CNBC. This was posted in 2014. It's probably roughly filmed in there, but this is hysterically funny. Let's take a listen.
I think it's really hard to put a word on it.
You said it in the book, okay? You said it in the book. That's when I knew the markets were rigged. And it's disgusting that you're trying to parse your words now. Okay? You can't say that.
You are quoted that way in the book, but
let's walk through an example.
Do you believe it or not? Because you said it.
Let me walk you through an example.
It's a yes or no question. Do you believe it or not?
I believe the markets are rigged.
Okay, so there you go.
And I also think that you're a part of the rigging. So if you want to do this, let's do this.
I really do.
My question to Bill, if he's launching these accusations,
I'm launching accusations.
What market data do you use to price trades on Direct Edge?
We use the direct feeds and the SIP in combination.
No. I asked you a question, not what you use to route. What do you use to price trades in your matching engine on Direct Edge?
We use the direct feeds.
No.
Yes, we do. And let me talk. You had a 300-page commercial, okay? So let me talk.
We use direct feeds to price trades. We are not as fast as the fastest HFTs. What we've done is we've slowed down HFT's ability to react on our exchange, which means that if anyone in this room, if anyone at home, if a mutual fund or a hedge fund gives an order to IEX and it's our responsibility to price it, HFT cannot pick that order.
They have the same HFT customers that we do, only we say they're providing a valuable service to the market.
Let's just try to change
they say they're ripping off the market.
Do we have computerized trading on our market? Absolutely. I think the word high-frequency trading should be eliminated from the industry vocabulary.
You used it 20 times in the book.
There's computerized trading.
It's not his book.
There's computerized. Yeah, it wasn't my book.
You're quoted.
Computerized trading and computerized scalping. People can trade with computers. They will till the end of time. People use computers to scalp. They've always looked to game the markets. You cannot scalp trades. You cannot scalp orders that are on IEX.
It's great to see Bill instantly throw at Brad the idea that he's doing all this to promote a business model.
Well, he said that, and he also said, "Shame on you." How do you react to that?
I'll say it again.
So I think he's outrageous. I think he's part of the problem.
Are you an investor in Brad's exchange?
No.
Michael, I'm just asking for full disclosure. Call me
Absolutely
Cookie.
not.
I'm being a journalist.
Are you insane? I'm not. I'm trying to do my job. I didn't even go looking to write a book about him. I was just trying to figure out what the hell was going on in the stock market. And big investor after big investor said, there's one guy who's an honest broker in all of this. He's come into office and explained how all this works. And go talk to him. He's the only guy on Wall Street who can actually tell you the truth about how the stock market works.
You're not insane. And what I take the biggest issue with is BATS, Direct Edge. They didn't exist 10 years ago. And we became the biggest stock market in any given day in the United States by going to our customers, proving we had a value proposition, and winning their business. We didn't do it by trying to scare people. And I don't think it's true, and I don't think it's right. You let Goldman Sachs' investment in my exchange as a sign of corruption, and his backing of his exchange is a sign of virtue.
And you didn't call me. There's a difference. Say the same thing.
Why is there a difference?
Because
the backing of me is bad, and the backing of you is good. How is it different?
Because they're a financial. They've invested in the investors in our exchange don't trade on our exchange. This is part of the problem, right? I mean, Bill, again, I say the sky's blue, Bill say the sky is red, right?
This company, this building was owned by people who traded here for 200 years.
Is he always like this on the show? This is insane.
What you say is insane.
I visited BATS. I interviewed people.
No, you did not. That is false.
That's
not
false.
Absolutely false.
That's not false. I toured it. I had a tour of the place.
That is untrue.
What do you mean it's untrue? I was there.
Give me a date. What date?
February 5th.
February 5th, what year?
2013.
Okay, we're going to follow up with CNBC about where Michael Lewis was on February 5th, 2013.
Were
you in Kansas City or New York?
I was with Brad Katsuyama when I visited.
You can't hear them.
You were in Kansas City on February 5th, 2013? Because that's where we're located, by the way, if you wondered about it.
No. I wanted to see where the high-frequency traders hooked up.
Look, you go to a data center. Going to a data center and standing outside and saying you talk to us is not the same thing.
No,
okay, so be honest with yourself.
So the other thing so the question was, there's actually no point in talking to someone who's just throwing dust in the air.
What a shit show, you guys. I mean, what an absolute shit show. Just BS, lies flying around. I love that IEX dude in there. Okay, that's about it. Oh, I'll fire this in there if you guys want to read another outstanding article by Zero Hedge, Tyler Durden. Fed's huge problem. Mainstream does not believe the Fed's and Wall Street's inflation forecast. Yeah, we've been hearing a little bit of chiping in about that too. They're not scared of shit, right? What the hell do they care? Okay, guys, Twitter giveaway. Guess your price on your beloved AMC stock, and second closest to will be winner chicken dinners over on the old Twitter thread. Again, the link is right below one of my videos. It'll be in the video link there. That's it. Let's get the hell out of here. Market's open. Hopefully, when you guys are watching this or close to pre-market, let's have a damn good week. Okay, pretty simple.